Hello Kayami! Welcome to my channel! Our easy yummy recipe for today is the famous Puto Binan. Puto Binan is famous not only having a brown color puto and a lot of toppings, famous because of the menthol flavor from peppermint extract. According to my BFF Google and my sister in Canada Ate Ruth, peppermint can calm the muscle of the stomach and it can cure coughs and colds and reducing stress and a lot more. If you want to know how I make this famous and delicious rice cake, please continue watching and I will show you how I make it. Let's start by putting the brown sugar to the warm evaporated milk. Stir until dissolve the brown sugar and set it aside to cool down. Crack the 4 eggs and beat until it becomes fluffy. Let's prepare the steamer. Pre-boil the water and cover the lid with cheesecloth or clean cloth. When the evaporated milk is cooled down, add the beaten eggs, then mix. Make a well to the rice flour, then gradually add the milk and egg mixtures. Gently mix the rice flour mixture to prevent from overbeating and your rice cake becomes tough. Stir until smooth the mixture. When the rice flour mixture is smooth, then add the baking powder. Gently mix again until it blends well, then set aside for 15 minutes.
After 15 minutes,
add the peppermint extract and stir again to blend well with the mixture. Let's prepare the molder. Grease your molder. Since I'm using a springform pan, I cover the bottom with aluminum foil to prevent spilling of the mixtures. Then pour the rice flour mixtures to the prepared pan. Back to the steamer, it's already boiling the water. We can put the rice cake mixture to the steamer. I steam first for 30 minutes until half cooked or solid top. Let's put the toppings to the rice cake or puto binan. Spread first the Filipino star margarine, or you can also use butter, then the condensed milk, and then I grate the salted duck, eggs, and lastly the Filipino Eden cheese. After putting all the toppings to the puto binan, put it back to the steamer and steam again until it totally cook about 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, let's check. Using this, the middle. Binan na binan! Puto binan! Alright. Okay, I'm gonna transfer. Smells good. Okay. Let the puto binan cool down first before removing from the molder. Here's the famous and delicious Puto Binan. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching and take care. Bye!